Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. BSTMXA Wi-Fi Extender helps to extend the Wi-Fi range to hard-to-reach areas, with two external high-gain antennas providing strong and reliable network in your home. With the help of this video, you can easily configure your BSTMXA Wi-Fi Extender device. Let's start the process. To set up BSTMXA Wi-Fi Extender using WPS process, you need to place the extender near to your Wi-Fi router. Then press the WPS button on the extender for 2 seconds. The WPS button is available on front side of your extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Wi-Fi router. Wait for the extender's internet light to become solid. After the WPS configuration, you can change the Wi-Fi extender location. Always place the Wi-Fi extender within the router range. Now, you need to test the connection by connecting it to the phone or other smart home devices. You can also configure your extender with using the Ethernet cable. Here you need to connect the BSTMXA Wi-Fi extender with the Wi-Fi router. Use an Ethernet cable for the connection. Plug the one end of Ethernet cable into the router and other end into the extender Ethernet port. Now power on your router and extender devices. Then, your Wi-Fi extender will broadcast the internet signal and covers all Wi-Fi dead zones of your house. You can reset your BSTMXA Wi-Fi extender to its factory default settings with the help of Reset button. Here, you need to hold and press the Reset button for 5 seconds. Then release the button. Wait for about 2 minutes to complete the reset process. After reset, you need to reconfigure this extender device. If you want to configure BSTMXA Wi-Fi extender with our help, then you can reach us.